All right, so
Wow.
number one, whenever you're trying to hire a realtor, these are a couple things that you want to actually think about and you want to do. Number one is this. One, I would highly recommend do not hire your friend who's a realtor. Just like anything
Wow.
else, you're hiring somebody. You're hiring a person for your company. You're hiring somebody to sell an asset that is over 6 figures, like more expensive than my Tesla right over there, more expensive than that car. Is you've got to look at, number one is this. One, are they going to get the job done? Number two, are they actually good at their job? Number three, can they actually sell your property? And then number 5 or 4, do they have product knowledge and do they have a track record of actually selling something? So that's why you don't want to hire your friends and family. Why? Because you cannot hire somebody you cannot fire. So that's why. Now, here's the other catch. When you're dealing with trying to find a good realtor, you can actually go to Google, you can Google search and find, let's say, 15 different realtors. Write down those 15 different realtors, even if it's your friend, and this is what you want to do. Pick a date during the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Pick a date during the week, and now what you want to do is you actually want to call those realtors, put the time that you call those realtors, and see exactly what time frame they actually called you back. How soon did they get back to you? How soon did they follow up with you? That's the other thing you want to do, is because trick number 2 or 3 or something like that we're on, is that if they cannot follow up with you, how do you think they're following up with the people that want to buy your property? Just think about that. They can't even follow up with you in less than 10 minutes. Heck no, I do not want to hire that person. We have a protocol. Somebody calls in, we are on the phone immediately. It's like an emergency 911. We need to help these people. These people are in need. How do we help them? And that's the situations that we get all the time whenever we're buying homes, is that we have to help these people. And I'm passionate about them. This is just like what God called me to do, and this is what I'm doing. But you've got to look at the same thing for you. This is a huge asset. This may be as more money than you ever get in your hands in your life. Most 95% of people, when they sell their property, that's the most money they ever got in their entire life. So you want to please be cautious. I want you to make as much money as possible, because this is a huge deal. This could change your entire life, shift your generational, financial issues, all kinds of things. You just want to get rid of it. So here's the other item. There's some really cool cars here, so I'll get some good backdrop. So sorry about that. The other thing that you actually want to think about and do as well is this. When you're hiring this realtor, make sure they have product knowledge. Ask, hey, what was the last 5 properties that you actually sold? And then how long did it take to sell those properties, right? So what was the last 5 properties that you sold? What was the name of the clients? And then how long did it take for you to actually sell the property? You sold it in 31 days. You sold it in 60 days. What's your average sales ratio? I want to know about it, because if I'm hiring you, I want the best. I want the best. I can tell you on our brokerage that I'm part owners of, our brokerage, we close, period, when it comes down to less than 30 days. Our average closing ratio is, and we get multiple offers in the first week. Why? Because we offer free drone work, free photography, and free interior designer that come. We pay for that. We pay because I want that person to close their house. This is a big deal for them. So we pay for the professional photography. We pay for the videography with drone work around the entire property. We pay for the interior designer to go in there, restage the house for the maximum sale. We do that. Nobody else does that. So whenever you look at that, you've got to say, what matters? So matters is that realtor needs to understand that.